Inventors, entrepreneurs, and business owners. Bold Patents Albuquerque is here. And Albuquerque, New Mexico is a hotbed for innovation, trying to get started with that spark, that innovation to bring your new idea to life. Bold Patent stands ready to help you with your patents, your trademarks, and intellectual property advice you might need as you get started. So let's talk about my favorite resources here in Albuquerque. In the top 5, engineering, innovation centers that you can get really good help with right here in this city. So let's start with number 1. It's ABQID. This is a startup accelerator and it's based in Albuquerque. They support startups like various categories of early stage development, providing them with mentorship, networking opportunities, and access to funding. Please check out ABQID. It is an accelerator, so you have to apply to the program, work with who they've got, but the beauty is they'll help generate that additional funding, get you that market expertise you might be lacking as a technical inventor, founder, without that business background. These individuals and business owners can help bring your project to the next level and skyrocket it. Take a look, it might be worth applying. An awesome company called RS21, it's an AI-driven data analytics company, just got launched through there. So a great startup, it's well known, and it's my number 1 pick for you in Albuquerque. Number 2, the Bioscience Center. It's an incubator and an accelerator, and it's found in New Mexico under the Bioscience and Life Science Startups. So if you're focused on innovating with pharmaceuticals, even with medical devices, those may be eligible. So take a look at the Bioscience Center. A notable startup that just came out of the Bioscience Center is Circular Genomics, a biotech company that specializes in circular RNA research to develop diagnostic tools for neurological diseases. Now, it's an incubator and an accelerator. So I talked about accelerators earlier, where their main focus is to get you funded and launched and hopefully sold into the next round, right? Big exits. But for an incubator, it's a bit more grassroots, and they're going to help you kind of like a baby chick would inside of a company. Now, the Bioscience Center, they have a focus on pharmaceuticals, and so they're going to have all the resources you might need to do lab testing, clinical trial, introduction to clinical trials, to get educated about FDA certification, all those different hurdles that might get you stuck if you didn't have their help. What's also nice as an incubator, usually you're not the only inventor, certainly, and not the only company involved. So check out the Bioscience Center. Might be worthwhile for you here in Albuquerque. Number 3 is the WESST Enterprise Center. This is a mixed-use business incubation facility in East Downtown Albuquerque. It's a 37,000 square foot facility. What's nice is they've got programs set up for manufacturing, service professionals, and technology businesses. It's much like a co-working space. So it's like the West Enterprise Center. You get to work with other startups, see what they're doing, and also get a check on your industry, right? Oftentimes, startups can learn a lot outside of your industry. Bringing someone in with expertise in just running a company can help broaden your thoughts, move the needle, and make introductions that could be really important for your company to grow. So check out the West Enterprise Center. A notable startup that just launched out of that co-working space is the ADDMI Inc. They developed an all-in-one point-of-sale system, loyalty programs, and for kitchen displays for restaurants. Number 4, Fat Pipe, New Mexico. This is going to be the coolest name of all the entrepreneurial resources I'm going through today. It's a business incubator and a co-working space right downtown Albuquerque. It's got furniture, IT infrastructure, multimedia equipment. They offer mentoring and coaching from experienced professionals as well. This reminds me of when I spent time in Seattle. They've got these really amazing, incubators where the city comes together, pulls the people that are maybe wanting to give back, that have made it. These are wise old souls that want to come in and provide that mentorship guidance to young professionals. So come check out Fat Pipe. It's right downtown, and it's also a co-working space. So you can actually do the work there, maybe part-time, while you're knocking out your startup. A notable startup that came out of there was Pyrito Powder. That's P-A-G-A-R-I-T-O, Powder. They're an advanced developer of catalyst materials that's going to be used for hydrogen fuel cells and electrolyzers. contributing to clean energy solutions. It's awesome. Cutting edge green tech. The last one, number 5, is CNM STEMulus Center. It's a STEM, STF, Science, Technology, Engineering, Math. They offer an accelerator program for those in the STEM field. So that's a lot of areas of technology. They provide a lot of resources, mentorship, and training to help entrepreneurs scale their businesses. An awesome startup just came out of there called Aqua Membranes. They do 3D printing, reverse osmosis elements, and they're revolutionizing into water conservation with this 3D printed osmosis elements to reduce energy and water usage. So hope you learned about some resources here in Albuquerque. I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney at Bold Patents Law Firm. We stand ready to help you, not just here in Albuquerque, but across the country. Let us know if we can help you. Take care and have an awesome day. Bye-bye.